Full Sail's degrees move at a faster pace than traditional universities, so our undergraduate and graduate students can earn their degrees in about half the time. How does it work? These accelerated programs are designed to offer more credit hours per month than a traditional university, anywhere from 3 to 8 credit hours per month. You're completing a full degree program in less time, and you're getting a feel for your industry schedule while you're still in school. Plus, graduating earlier means getting your career started earlier. Our degrees are designed to give you a streamlined learning path. You start with the fundamentals and then refine your skills based on your career goals. Each degree has a set schedule of courses that every student takes in the same order. So no matter where you are in your degree, your instructors will know what you've learned so far. Plus, you don't have to go through registration every semester, hoping that the class you need is available. Campus courses take place in both classroom and lab environments. In classes, you'll learn specific topics and skills, and in your labs, you put them into practice. Our online courses, delivered via a custom learning management system, include interactive discussions and weekly assignments. You'll communicate with your instructors and fellow students using audio and video conferencing, and you'll also participate in online forums and message boards. As you build hands-on experience, you'll be able to prove your talents through portfolio projects, checkpoints built into your degree. Your instructors will be able to see what you're strongest at and what could use some work. When you graduate, you'll have tangible work to show future employers or clients, so you'll put your best face forward and have the experience to back it up. As a student and after you graduate, you'll be a part of a growing network of creative professionals. Experienced instructors and teams of professional advisors bring their connections to continually refine the curriculum, ensuring that your degree is up to speed. Our career development department is staffed with industry-specific advisors who maintain connections with companies looking for talent. And our global network of alumni stay engaged with Full Sail through networking events and hiring resources. Full Sail University. It's a fast and focused education designed for hardworking, creative dreamers.